I will introduce the operation of facial HIFU. After cleaning the face, we need to use normal saline to disinfect the face and leg. Then we start to draw lines to mark the area we need to do the treatment. The thumb put on the eyebrow, the index finger next to the nose, then draw the first line downward. Then we need to find the most prominent place of the cheekbone and make a mark. Then we connect the line to the top of the ear. There are many blood capillaries in front of the ear which couldn't do the treatment, so we need to draw a line. The distance is about 1 finger. Then we take out a cartridge. Then this line aligns at our first line. Then make a mark at the other line. The same way we align at the line and make a mark. Then we could see the line in front of the ear is coincident with this line. Then we connect these two lines downward. Then make a mark on the middle of the jaw. Then draw a line along the lower jawbone. Now we will draw on the lower jaw. First, need to find the sunk area of the lower jaw. Then draw a line to the back of the ear. Then connect each line to the line on the lower jaw. Then we finished the marking of the lower jaw. Now we show the marking on forehead. First, we need to connect this line under the eyes. Then mark the temple of the clients, because the temple area couldn't do the treatment. Then draw a line about 2 fingers distance. We could see it's nearly at the end of the eyebrow. Then in the same way, use 2 fingers to draw lines one by one. The last line is almost at the beginning of the eyebrow. Then we need to mark the area where we couldn't do the treatment. First is the temple and the hairline. That's about 1 finger distance. These are forbidden to do the treatment. Besides that, we could see there are some blue veins. That also couldn't do the treatment. We need to mark them out. That's marking of the right side of the face. In the same way, we draw the lines on the left side of the face. Pay attention that the middle of the face is forbidden to do the treatment, including the middle of lower jaw, middle of jaw, nose, and the middle of the forehead. Now we start to do the treatment after the marking. We could see there are 3 cartridges. One is 4.5, the other is 3, and the third one is 1.5. First, we need to use normal saline to disinfect the cartridge. Pay attention not to touch this place. Then we apply some gel on the cartridge. And also we need to apply gel on the customer's face. Then we press the face picture to enter the facial treatment. We could see the length is 25 and we need to adjust the energy from 0.4 for female, and for male we adjust from 0.6. We could see the upper left corner is 4.5. That means it could recognize the cartridge automatically. The legs is accounting for how many shootings. And now we press ready to start treatment. And we could see the light is on. The 4.5 cartridge could only do the lower jaw and face treatment. We put it at the area and press the button to start working. It will stop automatically after several seconds, and we move 1/3 to do the second shooting. After the 4.5 cartridge finished, we press stop and turn back. Then we should change the cartridge. Just take it out and put the other cartridge in it. This 3mm cartridge could only do the nostril, the face, and the forehead. After the treatment for the 3mm cartridge, we need to change the 1.5mm cartridge. Which could do the nostril, the face, forehead, and also the area around eyes. We should ask the customer to open her eyes when do the treatment around the eyes. We use the finger to heat up the muscle and then start shooting carefully. When do the outer collar of eyes, we need to lift the muscle up and then start shooting. That's the whole opposition of the facial HIFU treatment. Now I will introduce the methods and attentions after